Why are you throwing your toothbrush away?
It's too old.
Hey, give it to me. You should learn to recycle things.
Recycle things? What can we do with an old toothbrush?
We can paint with it.
What? Paint with an old toothbrush?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, first we need scissors, watercolors, a screen, a sketchbook, a magazine, and an old toothbrush. Now, cut out a picture that you like from the magazine.
Okay.
Choose a really great one. Wow, you're quick.
Dog.
Great. Now, let's put the dog on the sketchbook.
Okay.
Great. Now choose a watercolor.
Green.
Oh, this green one is nicer. It's so bright.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll just put some paint here.
Okay.
Great. Now, can you hold the screen?
Yes.
Just like that. Now I'll just dip the toothbrush into this paint. And what we'll do is run the toothbrush along the screen.
Wow.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, now take the picture off
Okay.
and let's dry it.
Okay.
Here we are. Look what we have.
Wow. Okay, everybody, look at this. This is a 100 won coin, but it is very dirty and it smells bad. Ugh. But I can show you how to clean it. We need 3 things. The first thing that we need is vinegar. Vinegar. So let's take a look at the vinegar. Just look at it. Smell it. Oh, it's a strong smell. Taste it. Oh, how does it taste? Sour? Salty? It tastes sour. The second thing that we need is salt. You know what salt is. This is salt. Let's take a taste. How does it taste? Is it sour or salty? It's salty, that's right. The third and last thing we need is a plastic glove. So put your plastic glove on. Put it on our hand like this. Now, we take some vinegar, just a little. Put it on our finger. Rub the coin. Okay. Now, take some salt, just a little. Rub that on the coin, and you rub, and you rub, and you rub. There it is. Take a look. Nice and shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny.